Hey guys, we're back and now we're going to look at typing in the instructions. So Seesaw has a great resource of how to type in instructions so you get a visual of what those instructions look like. And I'm just going to type some in, but if you go down to your template that you have, you'll see this because you're watching this video on this page, on page 7. But on this page where your video will be, there's a link on how you can use it. And here's all the codes. So you might use all of these different codes. You may or may not. So once you're done building everything up, you hit this green check mark to save your template. And your activity is still not saved. You're going to have to save it down here, but I'm not ready to do that quite yet. I just know my template is done. So the next thing I want to do is my instructions. And I like to save these for last because as I build, my instructions are what I want to do my change. So the first thing that I always do is I just tell them, click, and then I put my add inside of my two colons, and you'll see that the add response button will show up on your instructions when you're done. Then I'm going to put watch the video on each page to see how to create the different elements in Seesaw. Click the caption to hear the instructions. That's only going to be on a few pages. Then you're going to say, you can do click check to submit, whatever your instructions are. These are some basic instructions. I just kind of wanted to do it this way just so you can see what they look like. And I am going to hit save. Usually I would continue adding on, but I'm just going to hit save because I just want you to see what this looks like. So as you can see where I put add, you can see like here's that add response. When I said listen to the caption, it gives that visual for students. And then when I said, hey, let's, click that green check mark to submit, that gives you the visual. Your instructions will say something different, of course, but I just kind of wanted you to see what it could look like for the students. So that's how you add in the printed instructions that still have some visual reference for the students.